got to the Airbnb, y'all. Show y'all that motherfucker.
Oh, y'all bathroom nice.
Pivot going on. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. This the fucking living room, man. This shit going on, bro. What the hell? What the fucky? This y'all little shit. This y'all little shit. Who gonna go upstairs, y'all? Mind y'all. Hold on. This in the house. You feel me? Don't mind it. We still gotta go up some more. Yes, sir. This bitch hard, bruh. Bro, Shawty just turned up, man. I'm a mother, boy. Shawty go crazy. Thank you, I love you, bro. Move got on these, but you don't, But you don't want no socks?
No, my toes.
Ooh. Pretty bitch, she don't wear no tennis shoes.
Come on, baby.
You look good.
Thank you.
Look at my girl, she looks so sweet.
Cause I am.
She get on my nerves. Put this in your purse. But look, yo. Now we're gonna go back. Can I vlog on your phone a little bit?
Can you vlog on my phone?
Just a little
I
bit.
need my damn phone.
This camera look good as fuck.
Your camera look good
My
too.
phone's back there. Yeah.
Here.
Come here, baby. Yeah, we're finna go down to here. Yeah. Huh? Charging downstairs. Damn, babe. Fuck out, my cousin look. Yeah, his bitch ass. The fuck? Puss ass nigga. You drinking cut? I'm in that down. Oh, you ain't opening it. Open that gun. That gun. Everything busting. No. I gotta go back out because. What? No, it wasn't.
We can play, what's that thing?
What's charades? What you play charades? That shit gonna be mad for me.
We finna go put on our pajamas.
Come on,
go.
so we gonna smoke.
Yeah.
You put my phone on charge, baby?
Yeah, I don't know where to charge at.
Where the charger to?
It's over here.
Stop trying to steal. You ain't hustle for the charger. Kick that hoe up out the spot we have in motion. I thought y'all ain't fuck that song. I'm dead. Can't be running around the city. You know we did. Can't be fucking naughty. That song hard. What you mean? That's the first part.
Hey, let me get a waterfall.
Yeah. You don't even need nothing else. Oh, we have emotion. Kick that hoe out the side, you know she going. Hey, freaky bitch, her nigga is alone.
I'm trying to wear it.
See where the music takes you on TikTok.
How many?
The Sonic Smashers.
You fake. I didn't drop yet. I'm already tripping. Yeah, I'm talking about, put these in there. No. Kid that hoe up out the spot. You know she going.
Everybody gotta take the bottle.
Oh, I was gonna drink it. Tell the bottle. You got it.
Hey, look, yo.
We still got some more guns. You taking another one? When, right now? Oh, not right now. We're gonna be back, bro. We're gonna do some TikTok. Look at my fucking face. Hold on. This bitch look good as hell at night up here, bro. Woo! And the PJs, nigga ain't even popped out yet. Oh, whatever. Yeah, we done pushed up at Waffle House.
Yo, y'all boy go Scott, that boy RJ, and follow on Instagram at Willon. I'm straight up RJ.
Tap in, bro. Tap in my motherfucking brother Instagram and YouTube channel, nigga. You got it? We got this bit fucked up. What's going on? Yeah, I'm finna get this fucking, I don't even know what the fuck I'm finna get. Probably get this all-star shit. But yeah, bro, I really enjoyed myself, bro. Appreciate everybody who came the fuck out. And yeah. Go back to that bitch, smoke another blizzard. Then I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna fuck my bitch. Holy. Oh, shit. We gotta order it to walk through. Scrambled cheese.
I don't eat eggs. I don't know why you look
Oh,
at
cheese. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I keep forgetting this shit. Bacon. Can you add extra bacon? And can you add the chicken sausage? Yes. Yeah, ma'am. Orange juices? No, ma'am. Can you add some orange juices? Yes, ma'am. Just bump this in there. I did. I'm fucked up. Let me tell you right now. Fucked up. I'm stupid. Oh, excuse me. Do y'all have the lemonade? Lemonade. So can I get one orange juice, one lemonade? Who got the orange juice? Oh, not 2 lemonades then, ma'am. I'm sorry. I knew I wasn't tripping. I know I don't know. Never mind. So sorry, ma'am.
Never mind. Thought that was a quarter.
Right. Oh. This bitch used to be popping, but now this bitch just dead as fuck. Who the fuck over here? Oh. In that bit, bro. Just come to the fucking gas station and get me some gravel. One of y'all niggas took my gravel, but they ain't even tripping. I probably would have took that shit too if that shit was looking freely on that counter. But now I'm here.
I got you, my boy. 160.
She got me some gravel and some blunt spray. Yeah. Go back to the spot, smoke me a blunt, eat my Waffle House.
It's all good.
Some goddamn gravel. Appreciate it, twin. Appreciate it. Security bad, man. Any bit, man.
Any bit, y'all boys.
Yeah. Don't fuck the fuck up, y'all. This shit going on. I had a good ass time, bro.
Nah, for real.
But that bit was so. Yeah, I didn't even vlog. It was so much going on. I lost my phone. Getting high, drinking. Like, oh my God. There's so much shit going on. And I just threw down on that walk out and shoot this shit. I hate walkouts anymore. Huh? See how much money? What you mean? See how much money was it? Okay.
Y'all was still trying to go to the
Okay, come on. Huh?
Y'all was still trying to go to the breakfast. Wait, what you said?
You want to?
No, my head hurt.
She said-
fucking Dante.
She said she was throwing up. That's why they went to sleep.
That's why I went upstairs. You see, soon I came upstairs, Keontae came down. He had to come get me some water. Bitch, I was throwing up. I had to get in the tub. He was bad for. I kept hearing Don say,
Where the fuck my sister
Yeah,
at? The fuck? I'm like, where the fuck my sister at? Bitch, the party was here. But I said the party.
That's what the fuck Michaela about.
Bitch, you still got the tag on your shirt.
This ain't my shirt.
Oh, that's the new shirt. Yeah, that's why I didn't drink that much of that shit. That's messy.
Paul, when he poured my shot of that other shit, this nigga gonna mix it with the cut water.
Look, Quay just said
Bitch, I'm gonna cut water.
Yeah.
And other shit done.
when I said at the time of my fucking life, bro, like, I don't understand. Like, I appreciate everybody who the fuck came out, bro. Like, everybody who supported me yesterday for my fucking birthday, bro. I fuck with y'all, bro. Like, when I say I fuck with y'all, bro, I fuck with y'all. I'm fuck the fuck up. No! We finna get ready. We just motherfucker. Yeah, this bitch is so P, y'all. Like, this bitch OP. Whatever Michaela brought last night, this shit got me fucked up. Mind y'all, it was on the dime. And some cut. It's still some cut in that bit. Folks don't be finishing they cut though. Y'all niggas weak, bro. Oh my mama, bro. These niggas. These bitches halfway full. I drunk two on my down self. Like, what the hell? Y'all. I didn't even. Oh. Oh. Y'all, I didn't even cut my cake. Bro. Shout out to my girlfriend for my birthday too, bro. Shawty my cake, man. Literally, bro. Yeah, I really fucked with the Airbnb, y'all. Like, no cap. Go down here and make sure everything good. Only got 5 with me. Still good. But we straight. God got me. God God got me, nigga. I know. Straight. But yep. Shout out my girlfriend for my cake, man. We didn't eat all the Waffle House last night, y'all. My sister told me she got a fucking headache and shit. So, I don't even know, man. My girl probably just do something later on, man. No cap. Find something to do.
You gotta wash the dishes.
I already washed some more. It probably like... No, it just don't... You don't kill say plates.
No, he said put all that. He wanted all that shit in the dishwasher.
Oh, shit. I put that shit in the cabinet last night.
Take that shit out of the cabinet and put it in the dishwasher.
Get it, man, roaches.
Diamond.
Yeah. It's open.
You stuck good to it. I wish I could have had the phone, but I'm still on the forget now. We got this bit, man.
You got a smart ass mom.
Oh, I didn't even know.
Wait, is this the laundry room?
We got something in the room.
Yes. You gotta bring the towels down here.
Shit. Alright, let me go grab them. Okay, let me say this in the class. So you grab them towels off the thing, please?
Where?
They on the.
They're on the counter.
Alright.
Appreciate it, Mom.
Hey, how was your birthday, twin?
That shit was excellent, nigga.
Hey,
I
my
had a good ass
balloon.
time, bro. Huh?
Oh,
I just had a good ass time.
car
And I
loaded
came
up.
looking for the trash can.
Uh-huh.
It's on the side. The lady, we stay over there. It is good.
I just told you.
I was looking shit going on properly.
Oh my god, this girl.
23 now, man.
Y'all, these hoes so nice. It's my first time at the gun range, man. This shit crazy. I wanted to come to this bit. I wanted to come to this bit when I was 16 for my 16-year-old birthday, bro. No loaded firearm behind this. Oh, that's why you did that. What is happening?
Okay.
Send it back. Hey. Alright. Yeah. Why so down? You already got cooking? That was good. But yeah, I need this now. Let me see. Let it go.
Because you keep fucking with it.
Here. Shoot it.
Like this?
Again, go. Let that bit off. Clear that. Clear it.
I don't even know why I shot it.
Where? Oh, you don't. You ready?
Girl, I'm on this side, bitch.
See?
You funny as fuck. The motherfucker say in the head. How many you shot? I think I shot 3. Go back. Am I loud?
Yeah, his ass dead.
His ass dead.
His ass been dead. The first 2 shots was in the chest. Oh, God. Literally. This ain't overly, bro. Switch paper. It'll take little bro back some. Yeah, keep his eye right there. This bitch smooth as hell, bro. This my first time at the gun range, bro. Like, this shit hard.
It's smoky. It's burning shit.